Dollar Tree. First of all, how's everybody doing? Headed to Dollar Tree to pick up some containers. You know what? I thought I might buy these containers on Amazon, but I'm gonna hit Dollar Tree first, see what they have, because I wanted to do some meal prep, and I want to see if our Dollar Tree has these containers. Oh Lord, this car is like almost headed right at me. See if Dollar Tree has these containers I'm looking for. The old Dollar Tree used to carry them. I don't know if this one does or not. It's been a while since I've been looking for them. So I'm headed up here. This little place, this little shopping center has grown. Oh my God, every time I come up here, there's a new store added. They have really, really added, not just stores, but businesses like doctor's offices, dentists, restaurants. I mean, just you name it. Gosh, it really is coming along. Anyway, let me run in here and I'll see you guys later. It was a success. I love it when a plan comes together. I was able to get the some containers that I could use. Hang on. So I was able to get some containers I can use. And they came two to a pack. $1.25 each. As you know, the Dollar Tree is no longer $1 for anything in there. Hold on, let me get some hand sanitizer. But still got a decent deal. I just need these for meal prep. I think, you know, I did meal prep a couple of months ago. I did some meal prep. It's like spur of the moment meal prep, and with some salmon and chicken and some mixed vegetables. And I put some rice on the side for hubby. Again, it was like kind of spur of the moment. And so I did have my containers. What I had for containers were some aluminum containers that were left over from Thanksgiving, because I bought aluminum containers in bulk for folks who wanted to take some food home for Thanksgiving, since I hosted. So I used those. And they came in handy. They were good. But you know, you can't microwave those. So.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't want to waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't want to waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Anyway, I did not need these, but yeah, I do. Where's my gum? I guess some gum. Pack of Trident. I don't think I've ever had this. Perfect peppermint. Let me turn the air on, guys. perfect peppermint. Can't wait to try that. But what I went in for was something like these. Two a pack, $1.25. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, so that's 8. And then I got this thing, which was just one container. And it's for portions. You can separate them, which I thought was cute. McCormick. $1.25. So I have 8 of the black ones. So I think that's enough. Enough for like a week's worth of meals. I just need to do that because, you know, it really helps if you have the food already made. So you're less likely, you know, you're less likely to eat the wrong things if you have something already ready to go. Because what's the sense of working out and having an exercise routine if you just come home and then you just eat all kinds of crap? I say that as I have my box of dots. Don't judge me. All right. So I'm probably going to do chicken and salmon. Those are usually my go-tos. Chicken and salmon. Some fresh salmon. Plus I have some, I'm going to make some salmon patties. Salmon cakes, we call them growing up. My mother called them salmon cakes. I'm going to make some of those too.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
That's all I need. Okay guys, we head home.